welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Holly. It is lovely to meet you, and it would be amazing if you could subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button to be notified when I post new videos. There is a reason that I'm sat a bit side on. It's because I wanted to get the palette on the side. So this is the Jaclyn Hill Volume II palette with Morphe, and this is, oh, look at the goodness. Look at the goodness. So on first glance, this palette is quite daunting if you're not used to using a lot of bright colours, but I wanted to create a glam neutral look with this palette to show that you can create a nice neutral look with it. G-Shot, this caramelly colour here, is my favourite shade in the palette. It is so beautiful and different to every other shade that I have. That was the challenge I wanted to give myself, and I feel I have succeeded. Hopefully you think so too. So if you've got the Jaclyn Hill palette, or you just like the look that I'm wearing right now, then please keep watching the video and I will show you how to create it. To prime my eyelids, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer as a base, patting the Plouise Base over the top to create a tacky layer for my shadows to stick to. For the crease, I'm taking Perfectionist on a fluffy blending brush and smoking this to the outer half of the crease, diffusing up to the brow bone. Use light and circular motions to push the shadow up towards the brow bone. Now taking G Money on a blending brush, concentrate this colour in the outer crease of your eye. Once you're happy with the placement of the colour, tap off the excess product from your brush and feather out the edge of G Money into Perfectionist. Take Certified on a fluffy lid brush and use this colour to highlight the brow bone. You can also layer this colour on top of the edges of your crease eyeshadow to blend them further and wash out the intensity of the brown shades. Then blend Certified with Perfectionist with a clean blending brush. Going back into G Money on a pencil brush, stamp a crescent shape onto the outer corner of your eyelid, pulling the colour over the upper lash line. For the shimmery base, take GRWM, get ready with me, on a flat shaded brush, pat and wipe this colour over the naked portion of your eyelid. As the primer is still visible, this shadow should stick to the lid really well. Lightly join the brown crease colours with the shimmer by extending Get Ready With Me into the inner half of the crease. Now take Ride Diamonds and spray the colour on the brush with a setting spray or water to intensify the percentage of pigment that's going to stick to the lid. Tap this on top of Get Ready With Me to add extra sparkle to the lid. Go back into G Money and run this colour above your lash line with an angled eyebrow brush. You can have this liner as thick or thin as you want, but I like mine quite thick and then softly blended into the shimmer. With that same colour, go along the lower lash line of your lower lid, from outer to inner corner. Keep this colour concentrated near the lash line. Now line your waterline with a black eyeliner. I'm using the number 7 Stay Perfect black eyeliner. You could use a brown eyeliner here if you didn't want the depth of the black, because it is quite dark and dramatic. Use G Money from the palette to blend this black eyeliner with the lower lash line. Now curl your eyelashes and apply mascara to your upper and lower lashes and wait for this mascara to dry so that it doesn't smudge. I'm using the Mannakadar Mascara. Then I'll be applying the Eldora H151 Human Hair Lashes. These lashes are thin and taper off to the outer edge to create a cat's eye effect. Onto the face, take the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and rub this into your skin using clean fingertips to even the texture of your skin. To add some radiance, take the NARS Illuminator in Orgasm and apply a generous amount of this product to the high points of your face. This will also act as an extra moisturiser. For foundation, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation on a flat foundation brush. I use 3 pumps to cover my entire face to a full coverage level. I apply the product straight to my brush and then buff out in patting and circular motions. To contour and add highlight to the high points of my face, I'll be using the Makiage Concealer. I create triangles under my eyes, applying products to my forehead, nose, upper lip and chin. I spray my blending sponge with setting spray and then begin to blend the products into my foundation using patting motions. To blend the concealer placed close to my eye makeup, I take a large fluffy blending brush and apply a light pressure, brushing to and fro over the edge of the concealer. Next, I contour using the Revolution foundation stick in D01. Using a dense contour brush, I use upward strokes to blend the contour into my foundation whilst lifting the appearance of my cheekbones. I then add the foundation to my central hairline and my temples, blending the foundation, leaving the centre of my forehead highlighted. I then move on to my jaw, tracing my natural jawline, just making my jaw appear a bit more sharp by adding a shadow underneath. I create the appearance of a protruding chin by contouring around my chin and under my lower lip to make my lips look bigger. For my nose, I take the foundation on a dense crease brush, drawing a straight line up either side of my nose with the contour colour, shading my nostrils and under the tip of my nose to lift the tip of my nose. To further narrow my nose, I take the Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder on a small sponge and press the product onto either side of my nose to bake and lighten the product in these areas. I also wipe this product down the bridge of my nose using that same sponge. I set my under eyes to avoid creasing using a powder brush, brushing off the excess powder that I have been using to bake around my nose. Onto blush, I use the NARS liquid blush in Torrid. I put one pump onto my fingertips, one and up between my fingers before application, and then pushing the product into the skin onto my cheeks, leaving my under eyes highlighted. To intensify this colour, I use the MAC Peachy Keen blush on a blush brush and just brush this product over Torrid. I highlight using the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter on a fan brush. Adjust the highlighter over all the high points of my face, mimicking where the sun would naturally hit. So my cheekbones, above my eyebrows, my chin, my upper lip, the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. To create an intense highlight at the inner corner of my eyes and brow bone, I'm using the highlighter on a small sponge and pressing the product into these areas. I wanted a bit of a darker lip today, so I'm overlining my lip using the Bodyography lip pencil in Heatherberry, which is a mauve neutral colour. You don't have to go for a darker lip, you can go for whatever colour lip you would like. I am filling my lips with the MAC lipstick in Verve, which is a mauve dark brown lipstick. I'll then use MAC Smith lipstick in the centre of my lips to lighten the colour and to highlight the inner portion of my lips, making them look a bit more pouty. I then blend these colours and clean up the lip line using a lip brush. Then I'm going to use Morphe's lip gloss in Groupie over the top of the lipstick to add a little bit of shimmer. Once that is done, I set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that is the look complete. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button down below, and if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video.